All right, hey guys, I'm Soham,
I'm Viswa.
I'm Sean.
I'm Arjun.
and we are Team Gertrude, and the project we're presenting today is PawLog, a recommendation system for choosing the best type of dog. Now, this might seem like a bit of a weird application of Prolog, but it's very, very personal. You see, with the COVID pandemic, many people are staying at home, and this furthers the need for companionship. A lot of people have started buying dogs and cats so that they feel a little less alone. But for some prospective owners, this challenge is a bit more difficult. For example, personally, I have a lot of allergies, which makes it very difficult to have a furry companion. But I also have a lot of difficulty trying to decide between all the different options out there. And this is why me and my team have started working on PawLog, a thorough recommendation system which recommends various types of dogs. Sean, take it away.
Thank you, Soham. So how does PawLog work? Users first answer a questionnaire to gauge dog preferences based on personality and basic demographics. Then we take these answers and run it through our algorithm to find the best fit of the first few dogs that would have the most match with the user's preferences. Now, Vishwa will show you a short demo of how it works.
Yep, so let's hop on over here to MOBA Xterm. We can go ahead and run our Python handler, which gives us all the questionnaires that the user fills out. So what size dog would I prefer? I would like a small dog. What kind of housing do I have? I currently am in an apartment. Do I have any kids? I do not. Allergies, also no. Any other pets? No. Have I owned a dog before? I actually have. And how do I feel about the outdoors? I don't really like the outdoors too much. So we're just going to keep that as well. And so now we're going to do this to, use Prolog. And now what we'll see is it'll give us actually the recommendations for my preferences. So since I wanted a smaller dog, not too fond of the outdoors, here we have a Chihuahua, a Pug, a Shih Tzu, all great dogs for my particular preferences. And so that's the quick demonstration of, how our program runs and how we're actually able to get everything to work. So now I'll hand it back to the rest of my team to finish up the presentation.
So for our tech stack, we have two components, a Python front-end component and a Prolog back-end component. So our Python, besides getting the input, also has to process the input to make sure that it is valid, and also sends it in a form that Prolog can understand. And Prolog, of course, uses its logic and reasoning and the algorithm that we developed to finally recommend the best dog for you based on which breed hits the most of the attributes that you've picked. Now moving on to the challenges.
There were a few challenges when working on this project, but the most difficult challenge was finding the mode and list using Prolog, or in other words, finding the most number of occurrences for the dog breeds. But this was able to be solved using a frequency function that counts the max occurrences in a list, and we couldn't have done this without the help of Sharp. Thank you so much.
In addition, we had another challenge was sending information to and from Prolog and Python. But we were able to resolve this by creating a text file that Python could both write to and get information from in order to determine the top 3 preferences.
So what's next when it comes to PawLog? We want a smoother recommendation in the future that instead of using exact preferences can be helpful in a case when there's not exactly a match. Soham, you want to take it from here?
Yeah, sure thing. Thank you, Viswa. And another thing we want to do is we want to add more dogs. Currently, there are only 13 choices to choose from. But if we add more dogs, we'll be able to have a wider range of preferences, and a person is more likely to get matched with 3 potential types of dogs than before. And this can be really helpful, especially if you don't really like your 3 choices and you would like to see something else. So that being said, here's a link to our source code if you'd like to try it out. There are instructions within the README, so we highly recommend reading that. And thank you for coming to our presentation. We hope this encourages you.